Have you ever thought of investing in Legos? Yes, those colorful, interlocking bricks that have amused generations of children and adults alike. It might seem unconventional, but investing in Legos can actually be a surprisingly lucrative business venture. To put things into perspective, consider the traditional forms of investment. Real estate, stocks, bonds, gold, and other commodities are all time-tested ways of growing your wealth. However, they also come with their own set of risks and uncertainties. Real estate markets can crash, stocks can plummet, and the value of gold can fluctuate wildly. Now picture a Lego set. It's tangible, it's popular, and it's relatively stable in value. And here's the kicker. Some Lego sets have been known to increase in value by up to 2 to 3 times their original retail price within a span of just a few years. Investing in new Lego sets can be a smart move, especially if they're limited edition or tied to popular franchises. For instance, the Star Wars Millennium Falcon set, which originally retailed for $200 in the year 2007, was selling for over $5,000 by the year 2020. That's a staggering 25 times increase in value. But it's not just new sets that can turn a profit. Used Lego sets, particularly those that are rare or discontinued, can also fetch a pretty penny. A Cafe Corner set, released in 2007 and discontinued in 2010, originally sold for $140. Now, a used set can sell for more than $2,000, and a new, unopened set for as much as $3,000. So what's the secret behind Lego's impressive return on investment? It's simple. Legos are loved worldwide, they're durable, and they never go out of style. They're also versatile, with countless ways to build and create. And let's not forget the nostalgia factor. Legos remind us of simpler times, and there's a certain charm in that which people are willing to pay for. In conclusion, while investing in Legos might not replace traditional forms of investment, it can certainly complement them. It's a fun, unique, and potentially profitable way to diversify your investment portfolio. After all, who said that playing and investing can't go hand in hand? Remember though, as with any investment, do your research. Understand the market, know what sets are popular and likely to appreciate in value, and always buy from reputable sources. So the next time you're considering where to put your money, why not think outside the box? Or rather, why not think inside the Lego box?